Shri N.K. Patel Sir, Deputy Commissioner, NLI Amritsar, Shri Prakash Chandra, Coordinator, NLI Amritsar, other staff members of NLI, my learned colleagues, a very good morning to all. Today I am here on behalf of Group 1 going to present the report of Day 1. On the first day of certificate in professional development of teachers, the day began with a nutritious breakfast. The course officially started with a welcome of Shri N.K. Patel Sir, Deputy Commissioner, NLI Amritsar, and Shri Prakash Chandra, Coordinator, NLI Amritsar. The ceremony included ceremonial lighting of the lamp by the Deputy Commissioner Sir, Coordinator Sir, and one teacher from each of the 5 groups. The morning assembly included the Navodaya prayer, thought, news, quiz, and a motivational story presented by Group 1. All the teachers gave brief introduction. Then Shri N.K. Patel, Deputy Commissioner Sir, welcomed the teachers and outlined their important role in Navodaya Vidyalaya. He emphasized the teachers' role as role models and stressed the need for dedicated teachers. He said that teachers' little efforts can change the world. Session 1, topic Development During Adolescence by Dr. Navdeep Singh Tum, Assistant Professor, GNTU. The session started with interaction on physical, cognitive, and emotional development of adolescents in detail. Key points discussed included theory of Piaget, Freud, and 8 stages of psychosocial development theory of Erik Erikson. The session included characters of adolescents such as sudden growth spurt, role confusion, increased pressures, search for self, rational thinking, want for greater independency, questioning the future. The session ended with few case studies. Session 2, topic Issues and Problems During Adolescence by Dr. Navdeep Singh Tum, Assistant Professor, GNTU. The session started with interaction on issues and problems during adolescence, such as covering the prevalence of mental health issues of adolescents, depression, violence, drug and alcohol abuse, suicide, bullying, including cyberbullying, and unhealthy romantic relations. The key points discussed: anxiety, depression, morbidity, hallucination, and delusions. The session ended with addressing negative thoughts and managing anger of adolescents, followed by strategies for supporting and managing children with problematic behavior. Session 3, topic Building Moral Behavior and Values in Adolescence by Dr. Deepti Randhawa, Assistant Professor, GNTU. The session started with an introduction with mindful exercises like breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. The discussion covered physical and emotional changes during adolescence, identity exploration and external influences, key elements of Hein's dilemma, and Kohlberg's stages of moral development were highlighted, including pre-conventional, conventional, and post-conventional stages. The session was interactive, group activity based, enjoyable, and full of learning. Session 4, Effective Communication, topic Effective Classroom Communication by Mr. Ashish Budhwar, JRF. The session began with an interactive activity and focused on the essential communication strategies that teachers need to make connections and foster learning for their students, such as positive reinforcement, clear and concise instructions, open-ended questions, probing questions, non-verbal communication, and active listening. The session included various factors and functions of effective classroom communication and approaches to classroom management. The session ended with characters of effective teachers. In summary, the first day provided a comprehensive overview and insights into adolescents' development, issues and problems, life skills, and adolescent well-being, setting a strong foundation for this workshop. Thank you. Have a nice day.